Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an absolutely massive win on Dollar Rose. You have to smash that like button for this one. The setup we shared has been completed, hitting our final target, and we are celebrating over plus 60% up. This is what happens when you catch the market at a crucial reversal point. We spotted the complex consolidation pattern, called for the breakout, and the market delivered. For those who don't know, Oasis Network, Dollar Rose, is focused on privacy-preserving scalable smart contracts, and it's a key player in the modular blockchain space. Its strong fundamentals are now being matched by a major technical breakout. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.